Okay, so now that we've added our home page and kind of added the content for the top level of each of our categories, we can start doing some of the kind of site cleanup to get it formatted how we want. So the first thing you want to do is on your home page, this is my home page, how to swing a golf club, you want to link out to each of our top level pages. So I have the 1 plane golf swing, 2 plane, and inside out. So basically this is just some content I put on the front page. Of course, if you want yours to be unique, mine's not, since it's a demo, I just took it from somewhere else. But you can see I have a little introductory paragraph that I say there's 3 choices to kind of model you swing after. And I say the first is the 1 plane golf swing. So I use my main keyword and I link directly to the 1 plane golf swing page. Then as we scroll down the page, I say the second option is the 2 plane golf swing. I link to the 2 plane golf swing page. And lastly, you have the inside out golf swing, and I link to that page. So now I have my initial kind of interlinking done. So from here, we want to get rid of this stuff on the sidebar because we don't want any links over there. And we also want to clean up our menu. So if I go to Dashboard and I go to Appearance and you go to Widgets, if you're using kind of a standard theme, you'll probably just want to go in and hit Delete on all of these to clear out your sidebar. So I'm just going to hit Delete, Delete, and Delete. So now if I go back and refresh the page, I basically cleared out that sidebar. Now, some themes will actually let you do a full width display, so you won't have this blank space over here. If your theme allows you to do that, that's perfect. Because again, we don't want a list of all of our pages over here. We don't want the whole site just basically interlinking, in a chaotic format. We want to, again, model how we want it to link. So the home page links to our 3 main pages, or however many main ones you have, and that's it. So next we can go to Appearance and go to Menus, and we can create a menu for our page. So I'm just going to type in Menu, Create New, and I'm going to add all of the main pages. So I click over here, Add to Menu. How to Swing a Golf Club is my first page, so I'm going to put that at the top, and I'm actually going to change that just to a link that says Home. And then I have Inside Out Golf Swing, 2 plane, 1 plane. You can change around the order any way you want. And this will be my primary menu. You might not have these options. If not, just hit Save. Now if I go back and I hit Refresh, you can see it changed it. So now I just have these. Now again, these are going to be here on every page, and it's kind of the links I said you don't want. But just from a user standpoint, a visitor standpoint, you really do need a menu. So I keep kind of a main menu, and I'm not going to link to any of the secondary pages, just the 3 main ones and my home page. Again, I link to each page with a keyword, the keyword I'm trying to rank for. And with that, the site is kind of cleaned up. We've gotten rid of the sidebar. Again, if you can do full width here to get rid of the blank space, I would do that. It's going to look a little better. If this was a site I was actually going to use, I'd probably have some images, I would have some videos. But later on, to put something in this sidebar, we can put like a banner for an affiliate program. You can put an AdSense unit over here. We can fill in that space. So now that we have the main setup done, again, we have our interlinking done. Now we want to go and create each of those category pages. So if I bring up my keywords again, so again, I have this one done. I have that done, and I have that done. So again, the top levels are all done, and now we want to put some of these inner pages in here as well. You don't have to do that right off the bat. Again, you can have your site grow as you go, but I'm going to do that for the 1 plane golf swing and kind of show you how that interlinking should work. So go ahead and kind of clean up your site. Get rid of the sidebar, change the menu, and then link out to these top level pages from your home page. And in the next video, we'll go over adding some of these secondary pages.